Good morning and welcome to the kitchen. It is a beautiful day here in South Georgia and I have been so busy. I've been getting my garden dirt ready. I've been growing out some vegetable seeds in the greenhouse. I dearly love planting a spring garden and it's about to get very busy here at the old tobacco patch, but I'm ready. I have 3 avocados sitting here on the counter that I need to use up. So I think I'm going to make me some guacamole that suits me. I have never been a fan of guacamole, but since I have found this little recipe, it's so simple, it has changed my opinion on guacamole. Here's how I make it. I start out by chopping up some tomatoes, and today I just happen to have grape tomatoes, so that's what I'm using. Then I roughly dice half an onion. Like I mentioned before, my avocados were very ripe, so I had to use them today. Now just slice around your avocado. I go from the top to the bottom around that way. Just slice it all the way through till you hit the seed. Then twist the 2 halves apart, and they should come apart very easy. Remove the big avocado seed from the middle. I use a knife to remove the seed. Then you just take a spoon and scrape the flesh from the peeling. Once you've done that, add your tomatoes, your onions, and some salt and pepper to taste. And if I have it on hand, I'll add a splash of lime juice. Now you'll notice I did not add cilantro. I have not learned to like cilantro. When I eat it, I think of dishwater. Isn't that funny? Avocado, salt, pepper, tomatoes, and onions is the perfect combination. And it's so simple. You really taste each individual ingredient. I gave it a quick taste and it was perfection. I covered it, set it in the fridge to chill, and it'll be a nice snack for later in the day. I do hope y'all are all having a great day and enjoying your weather as I am. We actually had a few 90-degree days at the end of February. That's living in the South. It was 39 this morning, and it should get up to 72 today. The sun's shining, the birds are singing, so I'm going to go out and enjoy it. Do me a favor and leave me a comment on how you feel about cilantro. I understand that it's one of those things you either love it or you hate it. I know which camp I'm in. Okay, I'm going to quit taking up your time, and I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.